Previously, we went through some of the improvements that Essentials brought to Badvisor. If you have not seen the previous video, please check it out. In this video, I want to quickly explain some other extra features that might be really helpful for your project. When you click on Essentials and then on Lighting, you will see two options: Lights and Materials. In Lights, you will be able to control all the lights of your scene. First, you can see the thumbnail of the current environment map that is connected to your scene. You can always change the environment map. As always, you can also change the intensity and the rotation. Below, you can see the lights in your scene and click on them to edit or keep adding new lights. When you click on Materials, you will see all the materials available on your scene. You can simply click on top of the material, or you can hold Ctrl and Alt, then left-click to open directly the material on the right. You can see how the selected material is highlighted in green. The parameters below are to change how much the light is going to impact your materials. So if I turn the environment intensity down, the material will only be affected by the direct light. In this way, I can control or tweak how my materials will react to some lights to make my scenes look better. Another great update is that you can optimize textures directly in your assets list. Open your textures in Badvisor and you'll find a button labeled Optimize. Click on it and you can set the percentage of texture compression. You can also change the format or texture type. By default, it's WebP, but you can always switch it to PNG or JPG. Finally, select the texture size and click Optimize. The new image size will now be shown below, and you also have access to the previous versions. You can revert it back or delete them. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any other suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching and happy Halloween!